Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the graphics card in BIOS on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F10 key, and if you don't understand how, you can just watch a video on our channel on it. Once that's done, go to configuration, then find graphics switch and you can set it to hybrid or UMA. If it's in UMA, then it'll only use the integrated graphics, which means that it won't use the NVIDIA high-performance card. So I wouldn't recommend enabling it to UMA, since it will have less performance and won't be good for gaming for sure. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.